You've seen dirt, grime, and stains in your home that seem impossible to remove, right? Maybe it's on your floors, countertops, or even your sofa. No matter how much you scrub, it never comes completely clean. But what if I told you there's a method that doesn't rely on harsh chemicals, scrubbing, or endless elbow grease, and it reveals a transformation that will literally surprise you? Today, we're diving into the amazing impact of steam cleaning, and trust me, the before and after will blow your mind. Before we jump in, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, because these cleaning revelations will completely change the way you approach home care. The power of steam cleaning. Steam cleaning isn't just a fancy gadget trick, it's science in action. Hot steam penetrates deep into surfaces, loosening dirt, killing bacteria, and even sanitizing areas that traditional cleaning often misses. Unlike chemical cleaners, steam cleans effectively without leaving residues or harmful fumes, making it safe for your family and pets. Understanding the power of steam is the first step to appreciating the transformations you're about to see. 1. Kitchen before and after. Think about your kitchen. Grease, spills, and crumbs hiding in hard-to-reach places. A steam cleaner targets countertops, stovetops, and even grout lines. Watch as years of built-up grime literally lifts away. Crusty stains dissolve, tile looks brand new, and every corner feels fresh. The before and after effect is almost magical. 2. Bathroom transformation. Bathrooms are a breeding ground for soap scum, mildew, and hard water stains. Using steam cleaning, shower doors and tiles that looked permanently dingy regain their shine. Faucets sparkle, grout brightens, and sinks look as if they were just installed. The best part? Steam sanitizes the surfaces while cleaning, which means germs and bacteria are eliminated without harsh chemicals. 3. Upholstery and fabrics. Steam cleaning isn't limited to hard surfaces. Sofas, curtains, and mattresses can also benefit. Dirt, pet hair, and stains that seemed impossible to remove lift effortlessly when exposed to concentrated steam. The fabric refreshes, odors disappear, and the room instantly feels cleaner. 4. Floors and hard surfaces. From tiles to hardwood, steam cleaning penetrates crevices, corners, and grout lines. Muddy footprints, spilled drinks, and sticky residues vanish as if they never existed. The floor regains its natural shine, grout lines brighten, and dust mites are eliminated. Watching the before and after reveal here is satisfying. Why steam cleaning works so well? You might wonder why steam cleaning is so effective. It's simple. The combination of high temperature and moisture breaks down dirt and grease while killing bacteria and pathogens. Traditional cleaning only removes surface debris, but steam penetrates deeper, lifting grime that's embedded in porous surfaces. This is why the results are so dramatic. The emotional reward. Watching a surface transform from dirty to spotless is more than satisfying. It's empowering. There's a feeling of control, accomplishment, and relief that comes from knowing your home is genuinely clean. Steam cleaning doesn't just improve appearances. It enhances hygiene, reduces allergens, and creates a space that feels safe and refreshing. That emotional boost is part of what makes steam cleaning addictive. Maintenance tips for maximum impact. To keep surfaces consistently clean, incorporate steam cleaning into your routine. Focus on high-traffic areas, grout lines, and fabrics that accumulate dust and stains. Pair steam cleaning with regular wipe-downs to prevent buildup, and always follow manufacturer instructions for your specific device. A quick recap of steam cleaning benefits. It deep cleans dirt and grime that traditional methods miss. It sanitizes surfaces without harsh chemicals. It revives floors, tiles, grout, and fabrics. If you loved seeing these incredible before and after results, like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing home cleaning tips and hacks. Click the link in the description box below to join our free community, where we offer informative articles, ideas, friendship, and much, much more. Remember, the difference between a clean home and a deeply refreshed home could be just one tool away. Start today. Embrace steam cleaning and watch your home transform right before your eyes.